Thank you. Aren't you hot? Let's carry on. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was a kind of teacher, women would desire. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. It was a cat that really was gone. Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how we carried on. He was real great when he had a girl to squeeze. For the queen he was a willing deal, though she heard the things he done. She believed he was the holy healer who would heal her son. Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how we carried on.
But when his drinking and lusting and his hunger for power became known to more and more people, the demands to do something about this outrageous man became louder.
Everybody! Woo! Where are those hands? I know it's warm. Yeah, you remember this. Then one night some man of higher standing set a trap, they're not to blame. To visit us they kept demanding, and he really came. Everybody now! Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. They put some poison into his wine. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me have a little sip of water.